What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to the program. Little glitch with that video there, but just want to point out, okay, no matter what you're doing, let's say you're subscribing to a newsletter, maybe you're in some other chat room that you're paying for, maybe you're paying a broker, whatever you're doing, right now everything is free at hitthebid.com, hitthebid.net, whichever one works out for you. Today, we were 3 for 3. What I've been talking about is, first of all, I've been talking about staying short, and I know it's a little bit of a opposite mindset from Dow 20,000 by 2012 and how the market will never stop going up. That theory has held true. When I got out of my stocks in June and July, I said we're probably going to rally to September 18th, and that day still pretty much was a good day to start selling out of stocks. But now, we're finally having a down day. Everyone's thinking, oh, support this, support that, we can't go down. But you know what? We've gone up for 8 straight months, so why not go down for a week or two to scare some people? Maybe. Could we? I really don't think we're going to go down by the end of the year. We're probably not going to be back at 8,000. We'll probably be around 10,000 at the end of the year, maybe 10.5. Moral of the story, it's all about the intraday trading. That's why I invite you to come to the chat room, which is free, to hitthebid.com. Today, my intraday trades. I'm looking for reversals. AIG went green. We bought the AIG just before it went green, a little bit more when it went green. The thing rallied up a quarter. I made $500. The stock went up 2 points after I got out. These are the good days. As long as I can make $500 and then you can get in after I get out and make 2 points, that's beautiful. Then we had the FSLR. Got involved in that. You know how frightened I am of that stock. Quickly made 50 cents. Stock went up about 2.5 points after I got out. And then another thing about what happens in my trading career is if I try to buy a lot of something, I only get a little guaranteed money. I was trying to buy 2,000 shares of U.S. Steel at 35.5. Got 100 shares. Immediately goes up 30 cents. I just got rid of it because I only got 100 shares. And it went up another 40 cents after that. Basically hit 36.10. So, 3 for 3 in the chat room. And like I said, if you're doing well for yourself, and I'm just another guy who's telling you how stupid or how smart I am, remember, it's more or less how cursed I am. Because whatever I do, intraday, will be wrong. Now, let's get to earnings reports. I've told you how bad it is to play these options on the earnings reports because the options are juiced up. What would normally cost you $1 is going to cost you $1.40 or $1.50 because the volatility that's built into the options prior to the earnings report to be coming out, they want to rip you off. Don't do it. You're going to need such a huge move to make money, especially if you try the straddles. The straddle is when you buy the put and the call, hoping that the stock has some sort of magnificent move to make so much money on the side that's right that'll offset the money that you're losing on the side that's wrong. You need some big moves. But I was looking at Akamai, involved in some sort of scam right now with that hedge fund that's in trouble. But the thing is about Akamai, I like the company, okay? It has had a nice run. There were insiders buying the stock, and it's run from about $16 to 21. So I was thinking maybe the 21 puts and the 21 calls. What did I do is I bought the puts first because I thought the market was weak. So now that I'm making money on these puts, I think I'm just going to sell out of the puts, which I have done already. This has got to be live. Made 30 cents on the put side, and now I'm calling it a day, okay? Chances are now, according to the Kroll theory, is that now that I don't have the Akamai puts, the stock will go to $15. So to keep your eye on that. Now the whole thing. Now everyone's saying how this has got to be a bottom for the market. We're at S&P support. Why can't we go down for 2 or 3 weeks based on nothing else? But we've gone up for 9 straight months. Why can't we? If Baidu has shown you anything, is that there is some weakness out there. Baidu's not dropping 60 points in a day without some sort of ripple being felt through the entire market. And today, there is that ripple. I told you guys to stay long the quid yesterday, and, you know, hopefully you did. It's the one position. Again, I'm not making money on the position, mind you, because I've been buying the quid for forever. Probably started buying the quid in June, a little bit, as a hedge. Then I bought some more because I was getting beat up looking for one down day so I could make my money back. Then next thing you know, I'm still long 3,000 quid. My cost average right now is about 27. So it's not good. It's not good. I pretty much ruined my year trying to guess when the market would pull back. I should have been buying a lot more 2 days ago when I was convinced. When the Baidu came out with those, the Baidu was gapped down, I don't know, 50 or 60 points pre-market, and the quid was sitting there at 22. That was just a gift. Yet I didn't take that gift in the extreme magnitude that I should have. Alright, so the site is hitthebid.com. Please, if you're new, if you're just watching this video for the first time, there's a lot more to it than stocks. We talk about everything. We're talking about the Yankees now, and if you think there's going to be a sweep on one way or the other, I would not. I would count on this stock, that this series, making me agitated for a good 6 or 7 games. So I'm going to have to suffer through it. So I have to just assume that this thing is going to go 6 or 7 games. It's not going to be fun, especially if they lose tonight. If they lose tonight, it's going to be really, really icky. And then Pedro, I don't know, everyone's thinking Pedro against the Yankees is bad for the Phillies. I think this guy's ready to step up. I think this guy is just waiting for the situation to come up. He's reveling in this. This is Pedro Martinez, one of the best top 10 pitchers of all time. You think he's nervous going into this game? No, he's going to show the world what he's got. This is going to be scary. It's going to be scary. I don't want to face Pedro Martinez. Okay. All right, moral of the story is, and I didn't say bottom line there, let's try to, you guys got to get to the chat room. Get to the chat room! Get to the chat room! Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have you come in on Sunday, too. Yeah. Who? Me? Me? Oh, speaking of who, me, we got the video coming out probably later on this afternoon. So come to the chat room, remind me to post it. Me? Who? Me? Me? Yes. Yes, you.